Hello everyone, this is Nile again from Best RV. I'm going to show you a quick video about the best and the most luxurious fifth wheel in the country. It's the brand new 2025 Forest River Riverstone 425 front office, or FO. Unbelievable. Riverstone, it's luxurious. It's not a normal fifth wheel. It has extreme bigger propane tank. It has the 40 pounders, pass-through storage. Love the installations, very clean, no plumbing in the middle. This has a big TV outside. I love the paint job. 4 time clear coat, 4 times. 4 cameras, everybody give you 3. This one has a 4 camera for entry doors, one to the right, one to the left, one in the back. Outdoor grill with a nice table, nice storage outside with the pick, and it's amazing sliding storage in the back. You could see I could put everything I want, and then when I'm done, I just slide it to the back. Nothing on my back, and close it. Voila! Hitch in the back, ladder. The power cord is an electric rail, so I don't have to carry this huge, humongous power cord. 50 amp service, full docking stations, on-demand hot water here, the best hot water here in the country. And then you have a nice storage. This is a disc brake, not electric brake, with a disc pump. Water manifold, so I could control anything on the water here. 6-point auto levelings, and there's a place here for I have this testing battery, but I could put up to 4 batteries with a nice sliding tray, whereas the others you don't. A place for your generators, so if I decide to put the Onan 5.5, it's already prepped, has the transfer switch, a room for it. You could see my 2000 watt inverter come with it. Come with the 200 watt solar panels, so total 400 watt. Unbelievable, nice, most luxurious fifth wheel in the country. No brands. This is the most luxurious fifth wheel from Riverstone 42F. Here we have the best and the lowest price on a brand new 2025 Forest River Riverstone 425 FO. What is the model of Best RV? Best quality. What's the model of Best RV? The lowest price you could find in this side of the country. No one could match us, and if they match us, we'll beat them. Coming in, we have a price no one could touch, and no any hidden fees. We make this beautiful fifth wheel at no cost to you. We give you the lowest price in anything you want at Best RV for recreation vehicle. Coming in.